Our book today is called Little Monkey Calms Down. You know, sometimes we all get mad and we need a chance to calm down. This monkey will show us how. Poor little monkey. See, he's so upset. He's just upset. His ice cream fell. See his ice cream cone and his ice cream? He dropped his ice cream cone and he's just very, very upset. He is having a tough time. He's just really crying. Sometimes we cry like that, don't we? My pages are sticking, aren't they? Sometimes my pages stick. Little monkey feels sad, mad, and angry. We all feel sad, mad, and angry, don't we? And it's okay to feel that way. But there's ways that we can feel better. Calm down, little monkey. It's okay to cry. Look, I'm crying. Look how many tears. Aw, he's really sad, huh? Calm down, little monkey. Cuddle with your blankie. Do you have blankies that you like to cuddle with? I know a few of you do. Calm down, little monkey. Take a deep breath. You want to practice that with me? Here we go. Feels better, huh? It makes you feel better. Calm down, little monkey. Sing a quiet song. Do you ever sing a little song to yourself? It could be Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. It could be Wheels on the Bus. It could be anything. It could be Baba Black Sheep. Calm down, little monkey. Sit still and relax. Ever just sit down and relax and think it's okay? Feel better, little monkey. Oh, look, they're giving them hugs. Do you like to get hugs when you're mad, sad, and angry? Do you? Now let's have a fun day. Just because you're mad, sad, and angry 1 minute doesn't mean you're not going to be happy the next minute, huh? This was a cute little book. I hope you enjoyed it. I did. Bye now.